Hello lovely people, my name's Pam and welcome back to my YouTube channel of quick 6-minute lessons for the PTE test. Today you're going to learn the 8th question type of the 21 question types in the PTE, the essay. Dun, dun, dun. So, I'm splitting the essay into 3 YouTube lessons for you because the essay is one of the most difficult questions in PTE and it must be worth a lot of points. But before we look at the essay, do you know how much PTE costs? Please check the price in your country because it is actually different from country to country. But a lot of people do the test in Australia and it's about $280 there. And IELTS is about the same. And note that many people end up taking the test 2 or 3 times before they get the score they need. So just the test alone could cost you $840. It's not cheap. So I hope this YouTube channel at least makes preparing for the test cheaper for you. I teach you all the most important techniques for PTE. So please, click to subscribe so you don't miss any lessons. Now I also have online programs. I teach more techniques and I give you a lot of practice too. Many of my students ask me how to practice after they learn techniques, so maybe I can help you through online lessons if you have that kind of issue too. You can learn a lot of English and techniques for tests like PTE and IELTS. It's useful for getting visas, business, and even high grades at university. But it's only 20 minutes of study a day, includes live lessons and a student community. So you talk and practice with friends. Easy and fun, right? Check neo-english.com. There's a 7-day free trial to understand our program. Try it. And if you want me to support you one-to-one, we offer a private tutoring package too. My program is $38 a month, so if you take my program and the test, it could be cheaper and maybe even faster than taking 3 or 4 tests. If you think so, please check out my website. Anyway, today's lesson is Lesson 8A, Essay Planning. You'll learn just the technique for how to plan the essay, and it's really useful. Then, at our next lesson, Lesson 8B, Essay Writing, I'll show you how to write an essay. Finally, at our 3rd lesson, 8C, Essay Challenge, I'll show you how to use the techniques with a real PTE level question. So please make sure you watch all of these videos. Now there's usually 1 essay in a PTE test, but, sorry, sometimes there are 2. And for each essay, PTE gives you a topic and you have 20 minutes to write 200 to 300 words. And it must be worth a lot of points because it's 20 minutes. Most other question types are 10 minutes or fewer. So the essay must be a lot of points. And if you don't write it properly, you can get 0 points. So please listen up. Now there's one reason a lot of students don't get good essay scores for PTE. Do you know what it is? Templates. A lot of students memorize essay templates. They memorize 200 words and just fill in the blanks to match the essay. And hey, sometimes you might get lucky and the template works. But really often, templates don't work. It's just not possible for an essay template to match every possible PTE question. And remember this, if your essay doesn't match PTE's question, you get 0 points. Is memorizing a template worth the risk of 0 points? I don't think so. So I recommend don't use a template. Instead, please use my techniques. You can use these for any essay question, and they're much easier to remember than a template. Let me show you. My top technique to write a good PTE essay is just 3 steps. 1, plan. 2, write. 3, check. Now also note time is important. So aim for 3 minutes for step 1, 12 minutes for step 2, 5 minutes for step 3. Okay, so today we'll learn how to do step 1, plan. Now the best plan for a PTE essay is simple. You just need to think of and write down 4 points. 1, your opinion. 2, 2 reasons supporting your opinion. 3, 1 reason against your opinion. And 4, the implication. Don't worry, I'll explain this. Now, let me show you about this with a very easy example. So let's imagine your easy essay question is, dogs are better than cats. Discuss. Okay, so for point 1, we need an opinion. So, yes or no? Well, I'll say yes. Dogs are better than cats, okay? Don't overthink it. You don't need to be honest. Just choose an opinion quickly. Now for point 2, we need 2 reasons supporting your opinion. So why are dogs better than cats? Well, firstly, let's say dogs like humans. That's good. Can you think of another reason? Well, let's say dogs are trainable. Great. So we have 2 reasons supporting your opinion that dogs are better than cats. Now, point 3, we need 1 reason against your opinion. So what could we say? Well, cats are easier to look after than dogs, right? So that's 1 reason against your opinion that dogs are better than cats. Point 4, you just need an implication. What's that? Well, an implication is a sentence that explains what your opinion means for people, what people should do. So for example, let's say your opinion is, pineapple should not be on pizza. Your implication could be, so, pizza shops should stop selling ham and pineapple pizza. Do you agree? Let's think. Another example implication. Let's say your opinion is, you can learn a lot from video games. So the implication could be, so people should play more video games. Now, in this case, we need an implication for the opinion dogs are better than cats. So we could say, if people want a pet, they should get a dog. So now we have completed step 1, the plan is done. Like I said, aim to do that in 3 minutes, but if you need more time, take it. The plan is too important to skip. So, just remember, when you're planning a PTE essay, you need 4 things. 1, your opinion. 2, 2 reasons supporting your opinion. 3, 1 reason against your opinion. And 4, an implication. That's it. Essays are hard, but these techniques really do work. If you use them, your essay will be clear and well structured, and that means a lot of points. But as I said, in this lesson I used techniques on a very simple example essay, so you still need to do more study. So please watch my next 2 videos, 8B, Essay Writing, where I will show you how to write an essay, and 8C, Essay Challenge, where I will show you how to use these techniques with a real PTE level question. So make sure you watch all of these videos. And make sure you keep up your self-study. Essay planning doesn't come easy at first. You really need to practice. So think about your opinion of everything. Smoking, climate change, chocolate cake, anything. And make a mental plan of your opinion, 2 reasons supporting your opinion, 1 reason against your opinion, and an implication. The more you practice, the easier this becomes. But of course, you may want someone to practice with, so consider my programs. Anyway, as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it useful. Click subscribe if you did. And I will see you at our next lesson, 8B, Essay Writing.